Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Soft channel. In this tutorial we are going to check and we are going to learn about JavaScript command. So let's start. So what I am going to do here, first I am going to write some code, piece of the code, then we'll explain about that function. Okay, so let's create the function. So function, if you want to create the function, you can use function keyword and write the function name. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to find the additions, multiplication and division, subtraction of two number. Okay, so basically I'm going to do the arithmetic operation. So arithmetic operation. Okay, so arithmetic operation number 1, number 2. First I am going to print the sum. Okay, number 1 plus number 2. Then subtraction. So number 1 minus number 2 and multiplication and division. So multiplication, division, multiplication and division means division. Then print this to browser. So sum of number 1 number 2 is sum, and then put the break here because I am going to write the multiple statements. So required break line, sum, and here subtraction, mult, multiplication and division. Here subtraction, multiplication and division. And now I'm going to create one button. So once I'll click on that button, input type button and value, submit, and on click arithmetic operation. Here 400 and 20. Let's see the example first. Let's run the program. So once I'll click on this button, so addition, sum of the two numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division will print. Okay, sum of the two number इतना, multiplication इतना, division इतना, subtraction इतना, and okay. So now what I have to explain about command, right? Command is basically, suppose command, so command is basically we can use to give the some information about any statement, right? So if suppose if this method, this function written, I have written, so I know about this function is used for, means I know means if you will call this function, so passing two numbers, so it will give me the sum of these two number and subtraction, multiplication and division of two number, right? But if anyone came and he don't know about the any programming language, right? So how they will understand, means what is basically this function about, right? So what I have to do here, we can write the any, you can explain about this function, right? So you can write here, this function is used to find the sum, multiplication, subtraction and division of two numbers, right? So if anyone he don't know about any programming language, so he can read, right? He can read and understand this function is basically to find the sum and multiplication, subtraction, division of two numbers, right? So you can understand. So you can use write above the function also, and you can write here also, as you wish you can write. And if you want to give, you can write here also, means this statement is to find the sum of two numbers, right? And if you want to write here also, you can write here also, here also. Basically this will give you the subtraction, right? And this will give you multiplication, and this is basically used for division, right? So anyone will come and we can read. And second we can use command. Basically you can use single line command. Basically you can, means I don't want to find the division of these two numbers, so you can command this line, right? So you can double backslash, using double backslash you can command any statement. So here you have to command this line also. So let's run this line. Here will not get the division, this statement, so only 3 line will print. Once I will click on this button, only 3 lines. Now what I want, this is basically means if you want to give the information about the statement, so you can write. And if you want to comment, if suppose you don't want to use this line, so you can comment using double backslash, right? But now this is the single line, right? It's only for single line. Now what I want, I don't want to use these 3 number, only I am going to find the sum, right? So what I'm going to comment this 3 line. So if you can use single line also, this type also, this type also you can use, okay? And so if you are using single line command, means in every line, if you have some 10 lines, so in 10 line also you have to write double backslash, double backslash, double backslash. So what I want, I don't want to write in every line, right? I want to comment all these 3 line at one time. So what I have to do, I have to select backslash and star, and from here, from this line to this line, I am going to comment, right? So here also I have to write star and slash. So you can use for single line also, and you can use for if you want to comment multiple line. So you have to use backslash star and star backslash. So using this you can comment the multiple line, and using double backslash you can comment only single line. So let's jump to theory part. So JavaScript commands is used to add information about the code, warning or suggestion, so that end user can easily interpret the code. And there are two types of the command in JavaScript: single line command and multi-line command. So using double backslash you can comment single line, and you can comment multiple line using single backslash star, and up to which line means how many lines you want to comment, means that line from starting to ending you can write star backslash. So you can write using this you can comment the multiple line, and using double backslash you can comment only single line. So this is basically about command in JavaScript. So thanks for watching. We'll see in next video.